After revealing the Galaxy AI features in January, Samsung has recently announced their first foldable phones, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6. With their unique form, these new phones offer some amazing AI-powered advancements. Some AI features have been updated to better fit their flexible inner screens and outside displays. Additionally, these models and Galaxies are the only ones with these new features at the moment. Maybe other Samsung or even Android phones will soon have access to these features as well. Today, Galaxy revealed 7 significant features that AI enthusiasts would like, including interpreter mode. This is a really special AI function for these foldable phones. When the phone is opened at an angle, you can utilize the inner and outer displays to translate and transcribe in real time while you are conversing with someone who speaks a different language. The phone can handle 23 dialects and 16 distinct languages. The S Pen-compatible Galaxy Z Fold 6 is ideal for the Photos app, which now lets you use AI to improve your doodles. It's not intended for realistic edits, but it does make doodling on photos more enjoyable. The Galaxy S24 series already had a similar two-sided translation feature. The new Samsung foldables will get certain special circle-to-search changes first. These improvements will eventually be made accessible on other phones using Google Search. These features won't be limited to these phones forever, but it's amazing to see one of the finest AI features for phones continue to improve. Circle to Search on the Galaxy Zelda 6 and Zippo 6 can now scan QR codes, translate a whole screen of text, and solve arithmetic problems. Portrait Studio: you can now give your selfies a new appearance with the Portrait Studio mode, which lets you apply effects like watercolor, 3D cartoons, sketches, or comic style. As with previous Samsung effects, you get 3 to 4 modified versions of the shot to choose from. Not only can you use the Samsung phone app, but you can also use the interpreter mode on the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6 to have AI translate speech between 16 different languages while you're on the phone. You can choose to hear the other person or just the translated speech. With the aid of Samsung's new foldable devices, you may draft messages to your contacts, which they can then complete, or start from fresh and compose replies that are pertinent and suitable for the topic at hand. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.